Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is British Pharmacopoeia. British Pharmacopoeia is the national pharmacopoeia of the United Kingdom, and the United Kingdom is not a single country like India. It contains four countries together only known as an United Kingdom. The four countries are England, Scotland, Wales and the Northern Ireland. And England, Scotland and the Wales, these three countries are also known as an Great Britain. And the pharmacopoeias of the United Kingdom are British Pharmacopoeia and the British Pharmacopoeia Veterinary and the European Pharmacopoeia. And what is British Pharmacopoeia? British Pharmacopoeia is the official collection of standards of the United Kingdom, medicinal products and the pharmaceutical substance published by the country annually. That means the British Pharmacopoeia is published every year. And what is importance of the British Pharmacopoeia? It makes a very important contribution to in the role of the MHRA. MHRA means Medicinal and Health Products Regulatory Agency, in the protection for the ensuring the people in UK in the protection of the public health and providing the quality standard of the United Kingdom pharmaceutical substances and the medicinal products, and it plays a vital role for all individuals and organization involved in the pharmaceutical companies departments like R&D, manufacturing and the QC and analysis. And who published the British Pharmacopoeia? On the behalf of the Health Ministry of the United Kingdom under the section of Medicinal Act 1968, British Pharmacopoeia Commission is responsible for the publication of the British Pharmacopoeia. What British Pharmacopoeia contains? It contains the general notices which contains information applicable to the all texts in the British Pharmacopoeia mentioned and are essential readings. General monographs are which are applicable for all the dosage forms. Specific monograph which provides all mandatory information for about the API, excipients, formulated preparations, herbal drugs, herbal drug products and the immunological drugs and etc. This is the information which contains in the British Pharmacopoeia. Some important points of the British Pharmacopoeia we will discuss. They are: the first British Pharmacopoeia was published in the year 1864 by the General Council of Medical Education and the Registration of the United Kingdom. And this pharmacopoeia, which is published in the 1864, is the fusion of three pharmacopoeias. First one is Edinburgh Pharmacopoeia in Scotland and in the year 1699, and Dublin Pharmacopoeia which is in the Dublin in 1807, and third one is Ludensac Pharmacopoeia in the year 1684 in London. And these three pharmacopoeias together in 1864 published pharmacopoeia is the British Pharmacopoeia. A subcommittee of the Committee of Civil Research in the year 1926 recommended that General Medicinal Council should appoint a pharmacopoeia commission to work up the new editions. And then the subsequent edition of the British Pharmacopoeia in the year 1932 was published under the guidance of the commission. First edition British Pharmacopoeia, which is published in 1864, contains the two sections. First section contains material medica. Medica is nothing but the medicines or the medicinal substances. Second section describes the preparations and compounding. And second edition of the British Pharmacopoeia was published in 1867, and third edition of British Pharmacopoeia in 1885, and the fourth edition of BP in 1898. Fourth edition of British Pharmacopoeia included the Indian edition and published in 1901. And the fifth edition of British Pharmacopoeia is published in 1914, and likewise the eighth edition of the British Pharmacopoeia is published in 1953, and from then onwards the British Pharmacopoeia is published annually. British Pharmacopoeia, which is published in 2004, it contains 6 volumes, and we will discuss the 6 volumes. What it contains. Volume 1 and 2, it contains the medical substances, and volume 3, formulated preparations, blood related preparations, immunological products, radiopharmaceutical preparations, surgical materials. Volume 4 contains appendices, infrared references spectra index, and volume 5 veterinary British Pharmacopoeia veterinary 2003, and volume 6 CD-ROM version of the British Pharmacopoeia. British Pharmacopoeia 2004-2, which is up to the year 2009, which follows the same pattern, that means the 6 volumes. Pharmacopoeia 2010 was published by TSO, the stationery officer, on the behalf of the MHRA, Medical and Health Product Regulatory Agency. And the British Pharmacopoeia in 2013, which includes the British Pharmacopoeia Veterinary 2013, veterinary animal drugs. British Pharmacopoeia 2014 includes almost 3,500 monographs. They are 40 new monographs, 272 amended monographs, 3 new supplementary chapters, and the 4 new veterinary monographs, and 1 new British Pharmacopoeia veterinary supplementary chapter included. And today it has been used in almost more than 100 countries. That means the British Pharmacopoeia is followed by the more than 100 countries. And so that the latest British Pharmacopoeia in 2020, and the often 1st January 2021. As I said, the British Pharmacopoeia is published annually. It published annually in the month August, and effective in the month January 1st of the following year. This is the British Pharmacopoeia. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to watch my previous videos.